When an airless sprayer has been used, it must be cleaned and de-energized so it doesn't retain any stored energy. Do this by actuating the primer valve in the prime position. Make sure that the trigger is locked. Remove the tip and tip guard and place them in a bucket of clean water. You may remove your respirator at this time, but always keep your eye protection on. Using a clean towel, wipe any paint off the pickup nozzle to avoid contaminating the rinsing water. To purge the paint out of the system, first put the pickup tube in the clean water. Reactivate the line by pulling the trigger and turning on the pressure to avoid pressure buildup in the line. Continue until the water runs out of the line, showing that no paint is left inside it. Now that the paint is removed from the line, the gun should be cleaned using clean water. If the equipment will be stored for any length of time, run pump guard through it to prevent corrosion from the water inside. If the equipment will be used in the near future, that is not necessary. Run the equipment through the prime cycle to clean the lower end of the lance or wand. Once this is done, the filter systems need to be cleaned. There are 2 filter systems on this airless machine, one in the gun and one in the manifold. The inline filter system in the gun should pull right out and can be rinsed out with clean water. Once the inline filter looks clean with no remaining buildup, access the manifold filter and rinse that with clean water as well until it is entirely clean. At this point, the system can be unplugged. Wipe away any excess moisture. Roll up the spray and anchor the pickup and prime nozzle into the keeper. The electrical cord should be safely rolled up as well before moving the system to storage.